So Mahaprabhu and Radhabhav means Radharani, because Radharani is Mahabhav Sarupini. And when she speaks from the platform of Mahabhav. So now Lord Chaitanya, Mahaprabhu, is speaking from the platform of Mahabhav and Radharani's heart. So he's saying, Jagate Venu Dwani, the sound of your flute is a yogini traveling all around the universe. Not an ordinary yogini, but Siddha mantra. You've attained perfection in playing of your flute. Nariman, you're chanting all the women. Maha Utkanta Bhadan. And this yogini increases the anxiety of all women and induces them to give up the aryapat, their religious behavior of obeying their superiors. Aryapat chadan. And what does it do? This yogini forcibly brings all the women to you to surrender in amorous love. Very nice. Maha Utkanta Vadan, that you're Aryapata Chadan. Maha Utkanta Vadan, Aryapata Chadan. Ani Tomaya Kari Samarpan. That's very interesting translation. It brings them all to you, delivers them, Arpan. Or they all come to you to worship you.